You will be surprised. With my way of growing tomatoes at home, it is very easy to care for and gives very high yield. If you want to learn how to grow tomatoes at home, watch this full video of mine. I will guide you step by step through proper care and fertilization. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. First of all, to have healthy young plants, when sowing seeds, I need to choose old tomatoes with firm seeds to take seeds to grow young plants. Eggshells provide nutrients and improve the soil very well, so I will put the eggshells in the ground to sow seeds. And I would take the seeds directly from the tomatoes and plant them in the ground, then cover them with a thin layer of soil. After sowing the seeds, I will water the soil to help the seeds germinate quickly. No need to buy pots or containers to grow. I will use diapers to grow tomatoes at home. No need to buy pots or containers to grow. I will use diapers to grow tomatoes at home. I will take a water bottle, punch a hole in the bottom of the bottle, and cut the top off to dispose of kitchen waste. To grow plants better, I mix rice husks and worm castings with the soil to grow plants. I put soil in the bag to prepare to plant tomatoes. Now the seeds I planted have grown into saplings, so I will plant them. I put kitchen waste into compost. When the waste is ripe, it will flow into water through the small holes of the bottle and seep into the soil to help plants absorb nutrients from the soil. I water and mulch the roots to keep the plant moist for growth. Now that the tree has taken root, to keep the soil from compacting, I will lightly till a layer of topsoil. I want the tree to stand firm and strong. I put soil at the base. I continue to put the waste in the bottle to compost. To help the garbage decompose faster, I put in compost powder to help the garbage decompose faster. To provide nutrients for plants, I put worm castings at the roots to help the plants absorb them directly. At this stage, the plant is growing healthily. I put worm castings at the base to help the plant absorb nutrients better. To avoid nutritional deficiencies for the plants, I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish soaked for a long time. This is the stage when the tree is flowering and fruiting, so I need to provide nutrients for the tree. I put fertilizer at the base to help the tree absorb nutrients to develop flowers and fruit. This is also the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly. So to prevent worms and fungi from entering, I cut ginger into slices and put them in water to spray on the plants. Ginger is very effective in repelling worms and fungi. It's amazing that in 45 days, I was able to grow a tomato trellis with so much fruit. It's amazing that in 45 days I was able to grow a tomato trellis with so much fruit. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.